Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by saving work and closing apps. This prevents data loss if the system restarts. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Sleep, or open Control Panel and choose Power Options. Make sure you select the active power plan and click Change Plan Settings. This is the first actionable step because it exposes the controls you'll modify. You're preparing the specific UI where sleep behavior is defined, so you can safely and directly change timeout values without guesswork. Next, change the sleep timeouts. Set sleep to never for both on battery and plugged in if you want to fully remove automatic sleep. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings and expand the sleep section to inspect Allow Hybrid Sleep and Hibernate After. You should disable Hybrid Sleep and either set Hibernate to never or a large value, because hybrid modes can still trigger low power states. These detailed steps ensure the system remains awake under both AC and battery scenarios and avoids unexpected transitions. Finally, save your changes and sign out or restart to make sure the new settings take effect. You should test by leaving the computer idle for the prior timeout length to confirm it stays awake. If it does, you're done. If the system still sleeps, check device drivers, network, graphics, scheduled tasks or wake timers, and BIOS/UEFI power settings because firmware-level options can override the OS. One troubleshooting tip: update or roll back device drivers if a peripheral is forcing sleep unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.